Welcome to an introduction video on AP Calculus. I'm Will Barbie, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about how AP Calculus can set you up for your future in college, in the workforce, whatever it is you might be trying to do. Now, I'm going to show you this problem. And you probably think, no way I could ever be able to solve that. Just look at it. I mean, what is that sign in front of the parentheses? I don't even know what dx means. Well, let me tell you something. You can be able to solve that very problem right before God and everybody, and you can show your friends, you can show your parents, Mom, Dad, look what I learned in school today. I can do this problem with simple integration, and I know you don't know what that is yet, but you will learn once you take AP Calculus. It's not really that bad. You can easily solve that problem. So I know when you hear the words AP, or the letters AP I should say, advanced placement, you think that's not me. I'm not advanced, I can't take this course. Well, you don't have to be necessarily advanced to take this course. It's not as hard as everybody makes it out to be. Yes, it's gonna be difficult. It's gonna be one of your most difficult courses in high school, but with proper work ethic, proper planning, you can easily get by it with an A or a B, a passing grade. And now there's three exams, that are gonna make up the year-long course of AP Calculus. You have the first exam, which is gonna be your Calculus Honors exam, which that covers the entire first semester of whether you're taking it junior or senior year, whichever one you chose. I took it my junior year because I took AP, or not AP, but I took pre-calculus my sophomore year. And so you're going to have the Calculus Honors Test. That's going to count 20% final grade. It's going to be the same thing that you've been doing through high school. But then when you get into the second semester, that is the AP Calculus semester, which they both go together. They just have to be split up because of some rule that somebody wrote somewhere. So you have the AP Calculus exam, which that is going to be, do I get the college credit for this class? It's on a grading scale of 0 to 5. And in most cases, in most colleges, a 3, 4, or 5 is going to pass. Most colleges that I've seen have done it that way. I don't know what colleges do it otherwise. You would just have to look and see what colleges you're wanting to go to, what they're going to take, and all that other good stuff. Now, in AP Calculus, the year-long course, you're going to be introduced to the derivative. Now, the derivative is a challenging concept at first, but once you really start to get the hang of it, once you really start practicing it, it doesn't get that bad. It just gets easier. And soon, you're doing derivatives just like that out of your head every day. You're just nothing but derivatives, and it's really a beautiful thing. Now, after you do derivatives, and you use all of that with things such as particle motion, other things like that. It's a wide variety of stuff that derivatives cover. You're going to be introduced to the integral with integration. That is pretty much the main part of the AP Calculus part, which when you say integration, that can stem off of multiple different things. You're going to also, do particle motion with that too. It's pretty much just the opposite of the derivative, but you will learn all that once you take AP Calculus in high school, or even if you wait to take it in college. You're still going to learn the same thing. Now, there are plenty of careers that can come out of this. Now, I'm going to go over three main ones here, and I'm going to show you this chart here. We have aerospace engineers, which AP calculus in general is needed for. You're going to, of course, being an engineer, you're going to need a lot of math. Now, aerospace engineers, they make sure the planes stay up flying in the air, right? They keep all the passengers safe. They make sure that no lives are lost in the air, and they keep them flying. And without planes, we wouldn't be able to travel as fast as we do places like that. And you're going to get paid pretty dang good doing that, as you will see, or as you did see from that chart. If you need to look at it longer, you can go back, you can pause the video, and you can take a look at that. Now, another career, medical scientist. Now, of course, anything medical, you're going to get paid pretty good for keeping people alive and for just healing people. I mean, of course you're going to get paid a lot for that. Now, the last career I'm going to go over is safety engineers. Now, of course, kind of the same thing. You're keeping people alive, or you're keeping them safe. Maybe you're not healing them, but you are keeping them safe. It's things such as construction, transportation, stuff like that. You're keeping people safe. You're keeping lives from being cast away. Now, that's all I have to say. If you want to know more, if you want to dive in, there's plenty of other videos out there. If you want to know more about aerospace engineers, I've got a great friend, Maverick Balcom. He did a whole video about it. He can tell you how AP Calculus is going to help you in specifically that department. If you want to check that out, go check it out. But for now, I'm Will Barbie. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you're motivated to go take AP Calculus now. And like I said, I know it can be scary, but I promise you that it is going to help you in the long run once you're going into college. And once you're going into real life in the workforce, it's going to help you make a lot of money. It's going to set you up to be pretty good in life. This is Will Barbie. As I said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and now I'm going to leave you. Have a great rest of your day.